Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Have the seat. You have studied in Jamia Millia in Delhi, huh? And schooling has also been done here or in Jammu and Kashmir? Kashmir, Kupwara. Kupwara has been in the news quite some time. Is it a very volatile place?
So it's in the towards the northwest of Jammu and Kashmir. It's a border district actually. It used to be very volatile in the 90s, but now it's very calm for some time. It's actually a very infiltration-prone region of Jammu and Kashmir.
What do you think the infiltration can be stopped completely? Because Pakistan is trying to send as much as possible from any place, anywhere on the border. If there is any slackness, they would like to push.
I think it depends on the kind of infrastructure and that is there. So the government has recently started certain new projects like the CIBMS and other things. So it depends on that. As regards the border areas, the areas are really vulnerable because the areas receive very heavy snowfall in the winters. It can go up to even 10 feet. So it's very difficult to patrol such areas. The fencings have to be repaired very often, so it becomes difficult.
Do you think is it necessary that India should talk to Pakistan on these things?
So I think the current strategy that India has adopted of naming and shaming Pakistan at international forum, I think it has put a lot of pressure on Pakistan.
Talk and terror cannot go together. That is what India has been following. So do you agree with this, or we have to initiate discussing the matter with Pakistan?
So I think the current strategy is to an extent we are able to convince Pakistan, and they have started taking action on terror groups.